Are you suffering from lower back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, sciatic, muscle pain, or any chronic pain? Chronic and acute pain is quite common, affecting millions of people like yourself. Fortunately, there is a way to help you relax and reduce your pain symptoms. TENS unit is the drug-free and highly effective pain relief device you can use at home or on the go. Easy at Home offers various TENS and EMS models with different features to serve your pain relief or muscle stimulation needs. Model EHE012PRO is a professional-grade unit that features a powerful range of 20 intensity level options and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. This lightweight unit offers a large backlit display and comes with 2 independent channels, 3 massage types, and 5 auto modes. TENS pain relief works effectively by blocking pain signals and releasing natural endorphins, helping to relieve pain or tightness, or even promoting muscle recovery. Simply connect electrode pads to leads and opposite ends to the device. Apply self-adhesive pads to troubled areas. Turn on device and set your preferences. Next, choose one of the auto modes or manual massage types. Auto modes are a preset mixture of massage types to target a certain area best. The continuous auto mode is a factory preset mode based on the most popular sensation and frequency. This auto mode is applicable to various body areas, such as hands and feet. Select the intensity for any specific channel for your session by pressing channel A or B button. The channel chosen will flash on the screen. Press the timer button to lengthen your therapy session. The default time is set to 20 minutes, but can be scaled all the way up to a 120-minute session. Ready to get back to living your best life? Grab your Easy at Home TENS now and start feeling instant relief.